Caitlin Clark fans will love Fever, S ranking among best lineups. Story by Jeremy Bereng H. Caitlin Clark fans will love Fever, S ranking among best lineups. The 2026 WNBA draft is in the books, and training camp is now just around the corner. It's all building up to the league's 30th season, with more teams and higher salaries than ever before. How much money should you have before hiring a financial advisor? Ad. Smart Asset. While the Las Vegas Aces set out to defend their title in 3 weeks' time, Aya Wilson and company will face stiff challenges in their bid to win a fourth championship in 5 years. The New York Liberty added Satu Sabali in free agency to form a Big Four that includes 2 former league MVPs. The Atlanta Dreams trade for Angel Reese adds the W's best rebounder to the league's best rebounding team and another playmaker to the league's second best offense. Related video, WNBA Draft Top 5 Key Moments as Atsy Fudd rejoins All-Star Girlfriend Newsweek. WNBA Draft Top 5 Key Moments as Atsy Fudd rejoins All-Star Girlfriend. Current time, রাত 12টা. Duration, রাত 1:54. View on watch. More, complete results and analysis for every WNBA draft pick in round 1. Then there is the Indiana Fever, welcoming back Caitlin Clark after the superstar guard endured an injury-riddled 2025 season. Despite the Fever, Ace injury plague, Indiana pushed Las Vegas to the limit in the WNBA semifinals. The Aces needed overtime to win Game 5 at home before going on to sweep the Phoenix Mercury in the WNBA finals. How to borrow from your home without touching your mortgage. Ad. Lending Tree. The Sporting News ranks Indiana's starting 5 as the 4th best unit in the WNBA, a ranking that underlines how the Fever, health permitting, should compete for a championship this season. Clark will likely never have a season as bad as she did in 2025. Assuming she has a clean bill of health next year, she should spearhead one of the best attacks, writes David Suggs. What is a family trust, and how do you set one up? Ad. Smart Asset. Joining Clark in the backcourt is all WNBA guard Kelsey Mitchell, who just enjoyed the best season of her career in 2025 by averaging 20.2 points per game. Forwards Sophie Cunningham and Lexi Hulla strong shooters who offer an edge defensively, while center Aaliyah Boston is one of the league's best all-around bigs, startlingly efficient offensively and a top-flight anchor defensively. How much money should you have before hiring a financial advisor? Ad. Smart Asset. Of course, Clark needs little introduction as the fulcrum on which the Fever offense is built. Fans missed watching Clark's long-range shooting and inventive playmaking as she spent much of 2025 battling injury. Her return to action could be the deciding factor that lifts the Fever over other contenders as Indiana eyes a first championship in 12 years.